In a protected wetland facility, hippos live under carefully monitored conditions designed for ethical research. Every stage of milk collection follows strict animal welfare and scientific control standards. Specialized veterinary teams prepare the milking stations with sterile equipment. Hippo milk is collected slowly to maintain quality and reduce stress. This milk is naturally rich, thick and far denser than traditional dairy milk. Food-grade tubes transfer the milk directly into sealed stainless steel containers. Temperature control begins immediately to preserve freshness. The sealed milk containers are transported to the processing facility. Inside the factory, the milk enters a fully automated intake zone. Advanced scanners analyze density, purity, and composition. Only milk meeting strict standards proceeds further. The milk flows into filtration tanks for initial purification. Microfilters remove natural impurities without altering nutrients. After filtration, the milk enters controlled pasteurization chambers. Heat treatment ensures safety while preserving natural structure. The milk is then rapidly cooled to stabilize its composition. Cooled milk moves into large cheese-making vats. Natural enzymes are added to initiate curd formation. The milk slowly thickens as proteins begin to bind. This transformation marks the birth of Hippo cheese curds. Mechanical cutters slice the curd into uniform pieces. Whey separates naturally and drains away. The remaining curds are guided onto molding conveyors. Cheese molds shape the curds into precise forms. Hydraulic presses slowly apply pressure. Excess moisture is removed, strengthening the cheese structure. Pressed cheese wheels are carefully released from molds. Each wheel is transferred into salt brining tanks. Brining enhances flavor and preserves the cheese. After brining, the wheels rest to stabilize. The cheese enters controlled aging chambers. Temperature and humidity are carefully regulated. Over time, the rind begins to form naturally. Robotic systems rotate each wheel evenly. This ensures consistent aging throughout the cheese. Subtle texture changes reveal maturation progress. Each batch is regularly inspected for quality. Only perfectly aged wheels move forward. Finished wheels are transferred to cutting stations. Precision blades divide the cheese into uniform blocks. Each block is weighed and measured. Vacuum sealing locks in freshness. Packaging protects the cheese during storage. Every package receives batch identification. Finished products move into climate-controlled storage. Storage conditions maintain texture and flavor. Final inspections confirm export readiness. Only approved products reach distribution. The factory operates continuously under strict oversight. Technology and tradition combine in this rare process. Each step is designed for precision and consistency. From wetland to factory, the journey is tightly controlled. Hippo milk transforms into a unique cheese product. This process represents experimental dairy innovation.